Once upon a time, in a peaceful forest, there lived a clever and resourceful squirrel named Sam. Sam was known for his swift movements, sharp senses, and his keen eye for spotting danger. One day, a terrible storm struck the forest, causing chaos and distress among its inhabitants. As the storm raged on, Sam noticed a small group of animals, including his friends, trapped by a fallen tree near a rapidly flooding river. Determined to help, Sam sprang into action. He scurried through the forest, searching for anything that could aid in the rescue mission. With his quick thinking, Sam gathered sturdy twigs and leaves, constructing a makeshift bridge to reach the stranded animals. Braving the rushing waters and strong winds, he skillfully maneuvered across the bridge, encouraging each trapped animal to cross to safety. Sam's bravery and selflessness inspired other animals in the forest. They joined forces, lending their strength and support, creating a chain to help the remaining animals cross the bridge. Despite the daunting challenges, Sam remained determined, ensuring that every creature found refuge from the storm. Word of Sam's heroic deeds quickly spread throughout the forest, earning him the nickname Squirrel Savior. The animals praised him for his courage, resourcefulness, and unwavering commitment to their well-being. Sam became a symbol of hope and resilience, reminding everyone that even the smallest of creatures can make a big difference. From that day forward, the forest animals lived in gratitude and admiration for Sam's heroic act. They celebrated his bravery and considered him a true guardian of the forest. The story of the squirrel who saved the day became a timeless tale, passed down from generation to generation, inspiring acts of courage, unity, and compassion among all who heard it. And so, the legend of Sam, the squirrel who saved the day, serves as a reminder that no matter our size or abilities, our willingness to help others and make a difference can have a profound impact on the world around us.